saw any signs just gone past behind there? No, okay.
Was I supposed to look for some signs?
We'll talk about this later on.
Okay.
I did ask you a few minutes ago, I says, did you see any sign?
Yeah.
And you says, no, nothing at all. Now, that's really intriguing because there were blue signs there with 3 arrows visible on the both sides, I think. Especially the left one definitely were there though, yeah? Telling you that there was a mini roundabout there. Also, there were clearly giveaway line painted on the floor. Then also there was a circle sign painted on the floor as well. Now, maybe you were looking ahead, which is how we should be. We should be looking as far as we can see. But the whole point when we're looking ahead, so you can scan the bigger picture. So there was a mini roundabout there. You were approaching, you were doing around 27, 28 miles per hour. Obviously, I just saw nobody was coming from the right. But my point is that the way we approach and the way we emerge out of that mini roundabout, was it safe to do? What do you think?
It wasn't safe. It was too quick.
Yeah. So every time where there's an open or closed view roundabout, what we tend to do with the speed?
Bring it down.
Bring it down. So we bring it down. What is a reason we bring the speed down?
Bends. Because we're going around it. The roundabout is the bend, and there's also oncoming traffic, and we need to.
How is that benefit you to slow down? What do we do? So we do mirrors, signal, position, we speed down, and then finally is L. L means?
Look.
So how is that slowing down helping you?
It gives me more time to look and.
To look where?
For incoming traffic.
From the right or ahead, isn't it? So you can slow down, you start looking early, so you can decide early. So look early, decide early, and act early. What if there's a car coming who needs to go this way and you're not paying attention? What may happen then? The next thing you know is going to hit you because we are not stopping, because we're supposed to give way to traffic on our right on the roundabout. That's very important. Do you understand that? So look for the signs, please. It's very important. Any signs, roundabout signs,